Welcome back. This is video 3 of a 5-video series. If you missed the previous videos, I'll link them in the description. Today we are going to take the Mini 3 Pro on a flight. In the last video we flew the Mini 2 SE. Here you can see the difference in size between the Mini 2 and the Mini 3 Pro. They are both about 249 grams, but there is a little difference in size. The Mini 3 Pro has more features as well as a better camera. Let's press and hold our takeoff button and get started.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
We are going to climb to about 200 feet just as we did with the Mini 2 SE and follow the same path. In the last video, we talked about obstacle avoidance. The Mini 2 SE has down only, the Mini 3 Pro has front, back, up and down but no side avoidance. This means if you are flying sideways and don't see a tree, it won't stop. The Mini 3 Pro is supposed to have a stronger signal between the remote and the drone, but I seem to lose signal in about the same place as I do with the Mini 2 SE. This is about where we were with the Mini 2 SE when we started getting jerky video. And as you can see in the upper left of the screen, it's starting in the Mini 3 Pro as well. Let's hit the return to home button and head home. In the next video we will take the same flight with the DJI Air 3. The Air 3 is a bigger drone and had many features. We will go into some of the features like automatic flights, waypoints, and quick shots in the last video. This is the end of our flight for video number 3. I hope to see you all on the next one.